last lecture what we have done, we have calculated the rank of a matrix, that is if I have a matrix A, Aij, and this is 4 by 4, mean to say कि I varies from 1 to 4 and j varies from 1 to 4. So it means कि I can calculate the minors. In minor definition of rank A is, rank of A means highest order non vanishing minor. We have calculated like this. If I am talking about the 4 by 4 that we have done, then if you calculate the minor of order 4 by 4, then it is 1. Then minor of order 3 by 3, this is 16 minor we calculated, and minor of order 2 by 2, that is 36. And it means that plus 1, that is 53. We have to solve these 53 minors, and if this one minor is known 0 and these all 16 minors are 0, all minors are 0, or these 36 minors are also 0, it means that ki if minor of order 4 is 0, it means rank cannot be 4, it will be less than 4. If all the minor of order 3 by 3 is 0, it means rank cannot be 3, it will be less than 3. And if all the minor of order 2 by 2, 36 minors are 0, then it means rank cannot be 2, so it may be 1. So it means that this is a very tedious method, that we have to calculate 53 minors to find the rank of a matrix. So what to do now? Now there is another method that is very, very important method, that is transformation method, that is row transformation method. We apply certain operations, elementary operation on matrices. So we will apply elementary operations on matrices. Okay, we will apply elementary operation on matrices. How to apply the elementary operation? Let us see that. Let us suppose I have a matrix A, that is identity matrix. I am taking identity matrix, that is I am taking identity matrix E, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and I am applying the elementary operation, that is elementary operation I am applying is E12. E12 stands for R1 and R2 are interchanges. We are interchanging R1 and R2. मैं R1 और R2 को interchange कर रहा हूँ. That is called elementary operation of unit matrix. Elementary matrix is a matrix obtained by applying the transformation upon a unit matrix. कि unit matrix के ऊपर जब हम elementary operations apply करेंगे तो जो matrix आएगा उसको हम बोलेंगे elementary matrix. So elementary matrix is very important point for us. Elementary matrix obtained by applying operations. Operations means interchanging row and then adding the first row into second column, second row, so many operations, 3 types of operations. You can multiply any row by some constants. So I am using here E12 and multiply k. So this stands for I am applying the operation on R1 and R1 plus k time R2. So what does it stands for E12? E12 stands for I will operate upon R1 k time the element of R2. How to apply this thing? Let us see that. I have this element, that is elementary matrix is this. This is the elementary matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So I am applying the operation E12 k. So this stands for, that is I will add एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेकेंड रो बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग k इन 1. R1 में R2 के एलिमेंट ऐड करेंगे k से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद. तो 1 प्लस 0k दैट इज 1, 0 प्लस 1 that is 0 plus 1 time k that is k, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So, okay, so this is the matrix obtained by applying the elementary operation. That is, if I put dash here, so it stands for column operation. If I say that E1 to k dash, so it stands for column operation. That is, I apply operation on C1 plus k time C2. So I will apply the operation on a unit matrix. So unit matrix is this one. So this is very important actually. C1 1 plus k time this 0, this 0 plus k, so this is k and this is 0. So this is 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Okay. Verify the validity of above result that we have written ki each elementary row operation on square matrix A has same effect on A as pre-multiplication of A by corresponding elementary matrix. So this is very important point ki we have certain matrix A and I have certain matrix A. Let us suppose that I am taking it as A11, A12. I am taking simple example A1 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. So this is 3 by 3 matrix, and we know very well that what is elementary matrix. Elementary matrix is matrix obtained from unit matrix by applying certain operations. Okay, so let us suppose that I am applying operation on this matrix A as I am applying operation R1 के ऊपर ऑपरेशन अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ R1 प्लस k टाइम R3, k time R3. I am applying this operation, or I can write this operation as R13k. So this also means that I am applying the operation that is R13k. का मतलब है कि R1 जो रो है उसमें मैंने थर्ड रो को k से मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड किया है, यानी कि R1 में R3 रो ऐड किया k से मल्टीप्लाई करके. So let's see what happened. I have obtained this matrix B. The matrix is A11 plus k time A31 and A12 plus k time A32 and A13 plus k time A33, and this is A21 and this is A22 and this is A23 and this is A31, and other rows are remain unaffected. Only first row is affected because I have applied operation upon first row. Okay, now what I have written in this theorem, in this result, I have written that each elementary row operation on square matrix A has same effect on A as pre-multiplication of A by corresponding elementary matrix. अब corresponding elementary matrix कौन सा बनेगा? Corresponding elementary matrix कौन सा बनेगा? Let us see that. I have this is identity matrix. I have this identity matrix. I'm taking this as B. I'm taking this as B. Now I have elementary matrices. I have identity matrix is this 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Okay, तो एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स क्या बनेगा? एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स में हमने क्या किया है कि E13k, यानी कि हमने एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स का मतलब क्या बोला कि हम आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स में ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करेंगे. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन. लेट्स सी दैट. सो फर्स्ट रो में थर्ड रो के एलिमेंट को k से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद ऐड करना है. तो 1 प्लस 0k इज 1, 0 प्लस 0 इज 0 एंड 0 प्लस 1k इज k. So this is 0 1 0 0. So what the result say? Result says कि if I multiply A, that is what I want to prove. Now you will understand my point that what is my target. What I want to say that I want to say that कि if I multiply this is elementary matrix. If I multiply this elementary matrix, this is a pre multiplication. पहले का मतलब pre है, बाद का मतलब पोस्ट है. प्री मल्टीप्लाइंग ए, प्री मल्टीप्लीकेशन, और यू कैन से दैट कि दिस इज अ प्री फैक्टर. ओके, ए से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो मेरे पास बी आना चाहिए. यानी कि जो रो ऑपरेशन है उसका मतलब है कि हमने उस मैट्रिक्स को एक एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई किया है. लेट अस सी दैट कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड अगर बी आ गई तो इट मीन्स वी हैव डन. सो व्हाट इज एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स, व्हाट वी हैव गेट, दैट इज 1 0 k 0 1 0 0 0 1. तो मैंने इसको ए से मल्टीप्लाई किया. व्हाट इज माई ए इज A11 A12 A13 A21 A22 A23 A31 A32 A33. ओके, तो मल्टीप्लाई करके क्या आएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स, दिस इज ऑल्सो 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स, बिकॉज इनर डिमेंशंस आर सेम, सो इट मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज पॉसिबल. एंड व्हाट आई गेट, तो रो को कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देखिए 1 into A1 is A1 plus k time A31. okay, and then 0 A21, बाकी सारे ज़ीरो रह गए. A21 A31, let's see that let's make changes here. Let's make changes here. That is, this is the matrix, so this result is, so that you can see properly. So first row first column, that is A11 plus k time A13 A31, and then A12 and k time A32, and last one is A13 प्लस k टाइम 33. बाकी सारे एलिमेंट वैसे रहेंगे क्योंकि सेकेंड रो को करेंगे तो 0 A21 बचेगा. here is A22, here is A23, here is A31, here is A33, here is here is A32, and here is A3. This is B. You see that this is B. This is B. K time is k time A23. So it means that this proves that our results, that we have proved that this is 2. So therefore by 1 and 2, therefore by 1 and 2, what we get, if we multiply a matrix A by elementary matrix, then we get the matrix by applying the row operation. तो इसका मतलब हो गया कि रो ऑपरेशन implies, that is the pre-multiplication by elementary matrix. So it implies, the row operation implies a multiplication by elementary matrix.